Hey, what's up, Lloyd? Michael here with WarpDriveM. I've started this episode here in the shadow because we have like 30 degrees today. It's way too hot for Germany. That's like 87 Fahrenheit, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, you can write in the comment section below what temperature do you have in your area. And yeah, in today's episode we are going to work something on the E90. It's right over there. This is my daily driver. I'm not going to aim for the performance options because 230 horsepower for a daily, it's more than enough for me. So yeah, we are going to attempt to change the steering wheel today. In today's episode we are going to change this old steering wheel with this new one, the Sport Edition. So before I do anything, I have to take the negative terminal of the battery, and what I'm going to do today, I'm gonna remove just the airbag to see if I can move the original airbag into this cover. If I'm going to do that, I can change the steering wheel. If the old one doesn't fit in here, I cannot do that today because I don't have any airbag. This is just a cover. I have to put the old airbag in here. So first let's remove the battery terminal. I've already removed it. Don't forget to put something on this latch because this trunk door is electronic and you will not be able to access the battery without current. So don't forget to put something in here to prevent the trunk to lock itself. And I'm gonna wait a few seconds till the current is drawn from the car. In order to remove the airbag, we don't need any screwdrivers, that kind of screwdrivers. We will need something like this, a small one, very thin, yeah, because this airbag, the old one, is going to remove a little bit different from the newer one. So you can see this side is already popped, but I'm gonna close it just to show you. I hope I can see. I hope I can show you with one. Can do that with one hand. So you have to stick the screwdriver in there and whoops, okay, and just pull outside. You see, so stick it in there and outside, and from the other side as well, in there and outside, from both sides, yeah. Let me try with this one on this side as well. Whoop, check this out. And no matter what, even if you remove the connector from the battery, don't work in front of the airbag. Just work from the sides of the airbag. It's way safer because this kind of airbags, they need just a small amount of current to explode. So that's why it's very important work from the side. So yeah, we have a problem. This will not fit in my new cover. Anyway, I'm gonna take it out and we are going to look at that. With airbag out, I can show you now how this works. So you have to put the screwdriver in there. So you have to go straight, yeah, till this metal plate, and after that, as you can see here, pull towards the exterior of the car. And that's about it. On this side and the other side as well. This won't fit this. So yeah, it's a problem. On the European models, even the old airbag, it has on the inside, it has the same shape as the new one. So this, you can see it's a US spec, so we cannot mount that here, so I have to order a new airbag. Let's see what we have in here this time. I think I know, but ta-da! So I had to order a new airbag because the old airbag did not fit in the new case, the new case. This goes into here. Yeah, I've ordered this cable because I didn't have that on the wheel. When I bought the steering wheel, I noticed that it was missing this cable, so I bought that. Now we have the airbag, and that's the whole cover that I thought I can put the airbag in. Now with the new airbag, new steering wheel, new cables. Yeah, as you can see, this cable on the newer model, it won't fit the older cable. Yeah, because it's different routed, and the ground is on the airbag itself, and on the newer model we have the ground on the steering wheel through the steering column. Anyway, I'm gonna remove the steering wheel and I'm gonna put the new one after that airbag, and pretty much that's about it. 16mm socket, yeah. And you don't have to go all the way out the bolt, because we have to pull the steering wheel as well first, and we don't want to hit directly into our face. So that's why we will leave a little bit of thread in there. We'll pull the steering wheel out, and after that we are removing completely the bolt. Job done. The old steering wheel and the new one, and it looks much better. And the biggest difference is that you can see a lot more here on the dash with the new one as with the old one, because the new one is kind of straight in here, yeah, and the old one has a bump in here way bigger than this one. So that was the main goal for me, the main reason to change the steering wheel. And the second one, this one looks way better. It's way thicker in here, and because I had the same steering wheel on the last BMW, and that's why. Now I'm going to put the battery back, and I've kind of rushed because I didn't test the steering wheel commands. Because these are the new version, and I don't know if the CAN bus can read these new ones, but normally should read the commands from these buttons. But everything is back and tight in there. I didn't hear any bang, so the airbag didn't blow off. So now we have light, I'm gonna start the radio and use the commands to see if it's gonna work, the horn, and if everything works, job done. So yeah, I have to reset everything. Oh, I didn't need to reset that. Let me see. Woohoo, working boys. A little bit of German for you. Woohoo! Change the source. Yeah. So job done. Horn. Uh-oh. Huh. Maybe I should start the car. Ho ho. And now I just have to set the date and everything. Now I can stay in front of the airbag because now it's safe. Yeah, so job done. Huh? Way better than before. Way better than before. I like it. Now that I have the new steering wheel installed, I think it looks way better than before. I like this mod. I like this upgrade. And I think that's about it for today's episode. I need to go in the shadow because it's, like I said, it's really hot. And yeah, I hope I see you in the next episode. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.